Hey guys, it's Dale. Welcome back to my channel. Look guys, today is a huge snowstorm. So today, my two sisters are gonna throw snowballs at each other. Yeah, anyway guys, today is a huge big storm. See the gray cloud? There's no clouds. See the gray sky? Yeah, that means it's a storm. It's still coming down, look. It's still coming down. Look, it's still coming down. Like crazy. It's still snowing. It keeps falling down. It's still... What are you doing?
Go.
Guys, this is a big snowstorm. It's still falling down. The snowflakes are still falling from the sky. Yeah, so that was my snowstorm. Bye.